Here are some old knives I have, only saved for parts because they are really quite rough. Missing blades, broken blades. This is probably the best one of all of them. As you can see, it's not in great shape. Body ain't too bad. Just saved them. This one here is completely destroyed, pretty much. No blades left. One that's in there, I don't know what it is. I can't get it out. Another one's quite rusty. Actually has wood handle. Yeah, here. Has a wood handle. This one's probably restorable. Just thought it might be interesting to someone. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. I don't do much.